Hello everyone, welcome to bmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we will be discussing how to create a nurse call system. Consider we are in a hospital. If a patient who's in the restroom or who's in the bedroom, who's resting on the bed, he cannot walk or he cannot do anything, movements. So we have to call nurse from the nurse station. In that case, in a emergency cases, we can use this button, or you can use this pull switches from the toilet or any other nearby places. If once it is pull down or press the button, the notification will be sent to the nurse station. So according to that, the room number or the things will be indicated in the panel. The rooms will be having a light in the front above the door. Light will be there, so it will indicate that the room station. Once the nurse sees that, and they will come and attend the patient and turn off that indication light, or the buttons, other button will be off, button will be there, they will turn it off. The creating the system, nurse call system in Revit will be very easy, and you have to place the element, you have to create the system, and can place annotation if you need it. And this nurse call systems will be a separate view, but in our tutorial we're going to use the same school building. This is Autodesk sample building. We're going to use the same, and say for example, this room will be a patient room, the other side will be a control room, patient station, and we're going to place a system underneath a nurse call. This is going to be a staff station, and in my case I'm going to use the thing for staff station toilet or nurse station standard. Let me use this call, and I need a panel which will be controlling the elements. For our case, we don't have any panels which automatically controls. Let me select this one and see the nurse call option will be showing. For our panel, we don't have nurse call panel, so let me create a panel from the existing panel of telephone or any other panels. Let me edit the family and use the save as option. Save as family to desktop. Save this as nurse call control panel, and change the connector setting as nurse call. The settings will be as category electrical equipment. With this, save the family once again, load into project. The family will be loaded. As I said, the nurse station will be on the other side of the room. This is just a consideration. Let's place this panel. Now, if I select this panel, it will show nurse call, and it is an electrical equipment. So I have to go inside the edit type, rename this as nurse call, panel. Once this one done, select the any elements which is maybe a pull cord or anything, select the nurse call button, and under that you will be able to see that different control panels available. We are looking for the nurse call panel 400 by 475. That's it. Once done, our systems are done with nurse call, and you will be able to connect it. The same case happens with the other families. You have to create series of families for these systems and place them along the room sides or along the toilets for the pull cords, and connect with this control panel, and the system will be done. As I said, you have to create a new views. Now currently we are using power layout. You have to duplicate and show only the nurse call systems in that. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any queries related to this, leave your comments. I will be addressing as a frequently asking questions later time. Thank you so much.